have some orange tarpaulin here. The light is interesting for color photograph, but I shoot black and white. I'm trying to keep சாதாரணமாக
இல்லை என்ன விஷயம்
சாதாரணமாக தான் ஃபோட்டோ சாதாரணமாக தான் பொழுதுபோக்கு. So I tell them like I shoot for my hobby. As of now it's hobby because like my photography is not giving me any returns. So இருக்கட்டும் ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்துக்கட்டுமா? Thanks. I'm at F4. Thank you. I think every tarpaulin that you find it as red has turned to orange due to the sun. I think we have some markets over there also. We'll just check from here what is what and we'll get back. So most probably you have the same stuff here. Just looking for some interesting light, you know. I don't know, my hands are getting sweaty, so I am putting my hands often into the pocket to remove the sweat. So it's mostly veggies and we have some snacks. I think this market is one-stop shop. Come here, you buy most of the stuff that is available in Tamil Nadu. All veggies. Oh, we have some trampoline for kids to play. He's a little shy. We have some play centers there for kids. You have the this thing and you have some trampoline over there and some clothes are being sold here. You have some utilities, mats. Gardening equipments. I have one of these in my home. These are used to cut stuff, you know, for coconuts and all big vegetable stuff. These are where people make dosa, Indian pancakes, flat ones, soft ones, bigger ones. All kitchen utility items. So I think I find some interesting frame here. ஐயா நீங்கள் இங்கே பாருங்க. This is going to be a little dark in the photograph, but I'll correct it in the post. So Oh. Yeah, I find some interesting fine art frame here. I want to move to F16 for once. Okay, that was some interesting frame. They have some toy centers, utilities, floor mats, door mats, locks, keys. Okay, this is definitely a one-stop shop, and this is my first visit ever. So if I had to repair any of the locks, I could come here. Nice. You have some garments. This is a little bit dark here, otherwise I would go and take some photographs. Yeah, it's really dark. Hope you guys get a good view. People sell textile garments here. So we'll get to the other side. We had a complete view of the market, I think, at least from 100-meter distance. So I think we are getting back to the fish market here, the way we entered into the market, the place where we started. So let's explore this side once again and end our photo walk after this. How is my GoPro doing? That's like 40 minutes of recording and few photographs. Lots of food, but this guy is still thin. I'm talking about the street dog. I think I'm gonna have my breakfast here sometime after finishing my photo walk, or I'll go out. I think, guys, we have covered most of the places here in the photo walk, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my breakfast here, and I'll get back to my vehicle. On my way back I will cover the other possible things that is there. Okay, so let's get here. Let's have some. Let's try some street food today. Hello. No, 2 idli or medu vada. So I just ordered 2 of these rice cakes, salted, and one of those urud dal fritters. Thank you. So I'm gonna have food. ஆமாம் சொல்லியிருக்கேன்க்கா 2 இட்லி ஒரு மெது வடை சொல்லியிருக்கேன்.
இந்த அவங்களுக்கு அங்கே இந்த இதில் இல்லைம்மா, அவங்களுக்கு வடை மட்டும் தான் கேட்டாங்க. இல்லை
இருக்கட்டும்க்கா, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை. ஆ ஓகே, 2 இட்லி போருங்கக்கா, 2 இட்லி ஒரு மெது வடை. ஓ, கொடுத்துட்டீங்களா? சரி, ஓகே, நான் இதை அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கிறேன். ஓகே, so guys, that's my breakfast. I'm gonna have one of the fritters as well, so we'll continue after my breakfast. Peace out. So guys, I had some wonderful breakfast, and let's head back to our place where we left, you know. So let's get out of this market. I think I've covered most of the places, and so I think the exit is also the same way we came, the way we came in. We have some chickens being sold over there, hens and chickens. Hello, okay. So I came in the same way actually. So probably there is an exit on that side. Couldn't find much per se. A fine art photography frame. We are trying to do whatever is interesting for us. The light irritating now. So இவர் தான் கூப்பிட்டாருல. சரிங்க, இன்னும் ஒன்று எடுத்துக்கிறேன், இன்னும் ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்துக்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ. யுவர் குட் நேம்? உங்கள் பேர்? கிருஷ்ணன். கிருஷ்ணன், நானும் கிருஷ்ணன். நைஸ் டு மீட் யூ. So I'm surprised his name was also Krishna. So you have some dried fish here. People, they cook it later. People call it karuvadu in India, in Tamil Nadu particularly. So I'm kind of exiting the market here. Oh boy, I should have planned before by bringing some bags. I could have bought all the veggies required. So that was really interesting, though I couldn't spot any important fine art frames. Not that much, probably one or two. I had some interesting time in this market, and this is the first visit as well. So these are like firewoods and stove for firewoods, and those are the pancakes pans, dosa. They make dosa out of it. So very good. I just had my breakfast, so I couldn't have that whatever they are selling. So again you have some utilities and all breakfast stuff sold here. Nice, it comes with the package. You could get all the breakfast, you could make your purchase, veg, non-veg, garments, household items, everything, and get back all under the sky. Oh, I think I found a fine art frame here. Nice. I'll try to put possible photographs without widescreen crops and few with widescreen crops, because those are the ones which I like and which I'll be putting on sale. Okay. So the photographs that you see in widescreen crop probably will be on sale, and photographs without widescreen crop are just for the video and are learning for me. So guys, we have come to a place where we started already. So it was really an interesting photo walk, and it was really new to me being here in Trichy for a while, and visiting this place for the first time. It was really a sort of excitement for me, and I should say I had a good time. And we are here at my vehicle already. What I understand is like people were feeling bad about the rains and a lot of slush being formed in the places where they put their stalls. Since this is a weekly market, you could see crowd like this only on the weekends, particularly on Sunday. The market seemed to open by 7 a.m. in the morning and closes by 9 p.m. in the night. So people, since they visit only once in the week, they feel like the market is flooded with water or there are a lot of slush. That's the thing I've been hearing. Probably you might have seen it in the video already. So hope they get some relief. But other than that, it was fun for me, experiencing the fishes, the vegetables and everything. So it was fun, good photo walk. Hope you had good time too. And I kind of try to learn different styles of photography here, and keep up with few photographs which I like too. So it was kind of little bit lethargic, probably if you might have found that way. Like I did not focus much. Actually, this was meant to be a very casual and relaxed photo walk, you know, from the usual intense ones which I do, you know. So that was fun. That was Ponmalai Chandai, Ponmalai market for you guys. So now let's get home. Peace out.